chapter we will study about character formatting, bulleting and numbering, paragraph formatting, and applying words. Now, the process of changing appearance and the arrangement of text to make it look attractive, it is known as formatting. And formatting text can draw the reader's attention to specified parts of document and it emphasizes more information. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा information हुआ करता है, emphasize. Now, what is character formatting? The process of displaying selected text in a certain manner, it is called character formatting. And it consists of text properties like bold, italic, underline, font style, क्या उसका size है. देखिए ये आपका फॉन्ट हो गया किस तरीके का, ये फॉन्ट साइज, यहाँ पे आप इंक्रीज कर सकते हो फॉन्ट साइज को, डिक्रीज कर सकते हो. इफ यू वांट टू चेंज द कलर यू कैन चेंज. B for bold, I for italic, and U for underline. ठीक है. And their subscript, text effect. If you want to put text effect, you can put, and font color. Any color you can choose from the font. In class 3rd, we have already learned how to change the font style, color, and size. Now let us look at some more formatting options जो आपके font group में available. First is increase or decrease in font size. Now you want to increase or decrease the font size. It is used to make your text bit bigger and smaller. To increase or decrease font size, we have to follow some steps. What are these steps? Select the text. First of all, what you will do like this. They have selected the text. Good morning. You will select this text. And to make the bigger in size and decrease font size, what you will do, you will change. If you want to make smaller, तो आप small वाले को करेंगे. बड़ा size करना तो हम big पे करेंगे. Now you can press Ctrl plus key to increase the font size or decrease वाले size का use करके आप font size को decrease करें. Now changing the case. When we need to quickly change the text case, we can use change case command instead of deleting and retype. Word 2019. It allows us to change the case of typetext to any of the following type of. Like we have sentence case. Only the first letter of the sentence is displayed on the uppercase. The left letters are displayed on lower. Next is lower case. All letters जो होते हैं वो आपके small letters वो आपके lower case पे display होते हैं. Upper case में सारे capital letter upper case. Capitalize each word. The first letter of each word is displayed and the rest of the letter are displayed in lower. Toggle case, change the case of every letter. जो upper case letter है उसको हम lower case में change करते हैं और lower case को upper. Now to change the case of the text, we have to follow some steps like first is select the text, click on the change case option and font group. Select the desired option. Then you will select the desired option. Now you can use bold, italic and underline. If you want to write bold, you can use bold. If you want to write italic, if you want to write underline, you can. And you can emphasize the text to make it stand. These options can be used to help draw attention to important words or you can draw attention to different words or. Now, select the text, click on the bold. अगर आपको text को bold रखना है तो आप bold पे click करेंगे. If you want to keep the text in italic, you will click on italic. If you want to do underline, then you can do underline. And like this, the text will be appear. If you want to write the text in bold, you can also use keyboard keys like Ctrl plus V for bold, Ctrl for I for italic, and Ctrl for U for underline. The bold, italic, and underline buttons have to stay on. And now, strike through, subscript, or subscribe. What is strike through? It is a font effect that cross something out by drawing a line. If you have to apply strike through effect, what you will do? You will select the text, click on the strike through in the font group home tab. You will cross the text out by drawing and line. Then is subscript. It refers to the text that is positioned slightly higher than the line of text. To apply superscript, you will select the text and then click on superscript in the font group and then position of the selected text होगी वो slightly higher होगी. देखो आप देखेंगे थोड़ी क्या होगी higher होगी, ऊंची होगी. जैसे आप देख रहे हैं. Next is subscript. Refers to the text that is positioned slightly lower than a line of text. थोड़ी नीचे की तरफ. If you have to apply, you will select the text, click on subscript in the font group. Its position the selected text slightly lower than the line of the text. Like अब देख रहे हैं ना H2. यहाँ पे देखो थोड़ा lower. Next we have text effect. We can modify the appearance of the text by changing fill or outline color or by adding it. आप शेडो का, ग्लो का, रिफ्लेक्शन का इफेक्ट डाल सकते हैं. To apply the text effect, you will follow the step. First of all, you will select the text, click on the text effect, और आप टोपोग्राफी ऑप्शन पे भी जा सकते हैं and select the desired option. It changes the appearance of the text. आप देखते हैं कि आप यहाँ पे देखिए जैसे आपने चेंज करा तो कलर भी और अपीयरेंस भी दोनों चीज क्या हो गई चेंज. Now clear all formatting. We can easily clear all formatting such as bold, underline, italic, colored, subscript and more from the text and return to the text to its default formatting. जिसका डिफॉल्ट फॉर्मेटिंग स्टाइल आप उससे भी वापस आ सकते. ठीक है, इसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, सारे जो फॉर्मेटिंग फ्रॉम द सिलेक्शन है उसको रिमूव करना पड़ेगा, leaving only the normal or unformatted. To use the clear all formatting option, select the text. First of all, what you will do, you will select the text, click on the clear all formatting option in the font group and clear all format. You will clear all format. Now highlighting the text. Highlighting means making the text look different to draw readers' attention towards it. You can highlight important parts using the text highlight color option. How you will highlight? First you will select the text, then you will click on highlight color option in the font group of the home tab. Like this, your sentence will be get highlighted. Now character formatting using the font dialog box. Character formatting क्या होता है? ये आपकी you can use both formatting as given in the dialog box. First is paragraph formatting. Paragraph formatting features of Windows Word 2090 can be used to format appearance of the text. इसमें आप क्या कर सकते हो, जो टेक्स्ट appearance है टेक्स्ट का पैराग्राफ में उसको चेंज कर. Now align text. The manner in which text is placed between the margin of a page is called align. It allows us to train alignment of the text to any of the following. First is align left. It places the text कहाँ, towards the left margin. The text is always aligned to the left margin. Now center कहाँ होता है, center of the left or right margin. Align right, text towards the right margin, leaving a blank the left side. Justify the places the text evenly between the left and right. Now, to align the text, what you will do, you will follow the some steps. Like select the text, select the required alignment option. जो भी आपका required alignment option है, like इन्होंने ये select करा, पैराग्राफ उसमें आप ऐसे select. Now, if you want to do line spacing, भाई आपके जो पैराग्राफ है उसमें बीच में स्पेस नहीं है, तो आपको line spacing करना है, तो आप क्या करोगे? The amount of blank space left between the lines of the text in the paragraph is called line space. It is measured in lines or units, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं, points कहते हैं. Now, what you will do, if you have to increase or decrease the space between the lines, you will select the text, click on the line and paragraph spacing on the home tab, select the desired spacing there. What you will select? You will select desired spacing there. Now, paragraph spacing. Paragraph में आपको spacing करनी है. So how you will do spacing in the paragraph? First you will select the text. आप text को select करोगे, click on the layout पे. Specify required values in the before and after. Now spin boxes in the paragraph. What you will do? You will spin box. Next is indenting text. The amount of spacing between the text and the page margin is called indentation. Various types of indentions are as follows. First is left indentation. It is used to specify amount of spacing to be given from the left. लेफ्ट मार्जिन से आपको कितनी स्पेसिंग देनी है, राइट में राइट मार्जिन से कितनी देनी है. स्पेशल इंडेंट्स जिनको हमने दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करा है, फर्स्ट लाइन एंड हैंगिंग. इन फर्स्ट लाइन इट मेक्स फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ द पैराग्राफ इंडेंटेड मोर टुवर्ड्स द राइट एज कंपेयर टू सबसीक्वेंट. इन हैंगिंग इट मेक्स द फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ द पैराग्राफ इंडेंटेड मोर टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट. Then to set an indentation for the text, follow these steps. First of all, select the text, click on the layout. You will click on the layout tab. Now specify the required value. जितनी आपको लेफ्ट और राइट स्पिन बॉक्सेस से आप उनकी वैल्यू को बताएं. Now paragraph formatting using paragraph dialog. We can apply paragraph formatting using paragraph dialog box. To open paragraph dialog box, you will follow some steps. You will click on the paragraph dialog box launcher, paragraph group on the home. Then you will click on the paragraph dialog box launcher, the paragraph group on the लेआउट टैब. किसी पे भी कर सकते हैं आप, होम टैब पे चाहे होम टैब पे और लेआउट पे चाहे लेआउट. नाउ बुलेट्स एंड नंबरिंग. आप देखा होगा पैराग्राफ वगैरह हम लिखते हैं तो हम बुलेट्स और नंबरिंग 1 2 3 अपने हम बुलेट्स लगा देते हैं. तो वो आप कैसे करेंगे? इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर ऑफ वर्ड 2009. वी वांट टू प्रेजेंट आवर टेक्स्ट इन अ लिस्ट ऑफ आइटम्स. लिस्ट मेक इज एडिट टू फाइंड इंफॉर्मेशन दैट वन. Basically there are two types of bullets, list and numbered. Bullet list, they are usually used when the order of items in the list does not meet. मतलब वो unordered होता है, जब हम किसका यूज करते हैं, bullet list. Now if you want to create a bullet list, how we will create? Like this. ये bullets points है ना, ऐसे हम create करते हैं. देखो आप simple paragraph दिया है, उसको हमें bullets में करना है. So first you will select the text and click on the bullet option in the paragraph. Now select the desired bullets. Whatever bullets you want to, arrow, circle, square, आप उसको select. Now number list. In number list, आप numbers से उसको listing करते हैं. एक sequence, event or step. Now creating a number list, if you have to create a number list, select the text. Click on the numbering option in the paragraph. Select the desired numbering style. Whatever numbering style you want to select, you can select. Now we need to apply border. So applying border on the text paragraph and page. What you will do, you will select the text, click on the border option in the paragraph. Select border and shading and select the appropriate option under setting. Setting में आप section में जाके क्या कर सकते हैं, appropriate जो भी option है उसको select कर सकते हैं. Now select the border style, whatever border style you want to choose, and you can also choose the color of your choice from the list. Now select the border thickness, आपको कितना मोटा चाहिए, कितना पतला चाहिए, वो भी आप select करेंगे. And add the border around the page, and then you will click on the page border. Now we will select the appropriate option under the setting. Now selection of the border under the style list box. Select border color, you will select the border color under the color list box, and जैसे आप select करोगे, then you have to click OK. जैसे आप click OK करोगे, your border will be it's like this. Border will be set on the paragraph. That's all for the today. Our chapter has been completed.